Number 10. Hyundai Ioniq 9. Kicking off our list is the Hyundai Ioniq 9, Hyundai's bold new flagship electric SUV. With a massive 400-mile range, ultra-fast 350-kilowatt charging, and a futuristic interior, the Ioniq 9 screams innovation. Its design is minimalist yet bold, with sharp lines and pixelated lighting that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Plus, it's packed with features like autonomous lane changing and an AI co-pilot. Starting at around $55,000, it's the perfect blend of luxury and eco-consciousness. Number 9. Honda Prelude 2025. Number 9. The return of a legend. The Honda Prelude is back, and it's better than ever. Sleek, sporty, and efficient, the 2025 Prelude features a hybrid powertrain pushing out 330 horsepower. It offers sharp handling, a tech-filled cabin, and a nostalgic design nod to its 90s heritage. Enthusiasts are loving its responsive steering and adaptive suspension. Expected starting price? Just under $40,000. Number 8. Toyota Land Cruiser 250. Off-road lovers, rejoice! Toyota has brought back the Land Cruiser with a more rugged, back-to-basics design. The 250 series combines legendary durability with modern tech, offering a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid system delivering 326 horsepower. Plus, it comes with front and rear locking differentials and a full-time four-wheel drive system. Price point? Around $55,000. A steal for what you get. Number 7. Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray. Coming in at number 7. The Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray. This is not your typical Corvette. For 2025, Chevy introduces the first-ever hybrid Corvette with all-wheel drive. A 6.2-liter V8 paired with an electric motor means 655 combined horsepower and 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. Plus, the E-Ray still boasts that aggressive American muscle design that fans love. Starting around $105,000. Number 6. BMW i5 M60. If you crave German precision and electrified performance, the BMW i5 M60 should be on your radar. With 590 horsepower and 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds, this electric sedan brings M-level thrills with cutting-edge EV efficiency. Inside, you get BMW's curved display and the latest in AI driving assistance. Starting price? About $85,000. Number 5. Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum Black. At number 5, we have Ford's statement piece, the F-150 Lightning Platinum Black Edition. It's everything you love about America's favorite truck, but electrified and ultra-premium. The Platinum Black features stealthy matte finishes, a 320-mile range, and an insane towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds. Luxury meets raw power, starting at $97,995. Number 4. Porsche Macan EV. Fourth on our list is the all-new electric Porsche Macan. Porsche promises the Macan EV drives like a true Porsche, and early tests back that up. Razor-sharp handling, up to 600 horsepower, and up to 310 miles of range. It's sporty, sleek, and built for enthusiasts who also want zero emissions. Prices start around $80,000. Number 3. Kia EV9. In third place, the Kia EV9. If you're looking for a family EV, this 3-row SUV is a game-changer. Bold styling, 300-plus mile range, Level 3 autonomous driving, and ultra-fast charging all come standard. Plus, the interior feels closer to a luxury SUV than anything in its price range. Base models start at just $60,000. Number 2. Lucid Gravity. Our runner-up is the Lucid Gravity, the SUV version of the ultra-luxury Lucid Air sedan. Gravity offers an insane 440-plus miles of range, lightning-fast charging, and up to 1,200 horsepower for performance models. It's got a panoramic glass roof, minimalist design, and a huge interior. Starting price is expected to be around $80,000. Number 1, Tesla Model 2. And finally, the number 1 best new car of 2025, the Tesla Model 2. Tesla's long-awaited affordable EV finally arrives. Starting at just $25,000, the Model 2 offers a 250-plus mile range, futuristic minimalist interior, and full self-driving capabilities, all in a compact package perfect for city living. If Tesla delivers everything promised, the Model 2 could change the auto industry forever.